Searching for a solution to add low-frequency extension to an existing background audio system? Then the Intusonic 8SM300T dual 8-inch subwoofer is the go-to product. Each 8-ohm driver is rated at 150 watts AES, combined to give a powerful 300 watts AES power rating. The dual driver design in separate chambers provides fast transient response and excellent low-frequency performance. It's constructed using 15mm MDF, and its low profile of 270mm makes it ideal for use in venues with nominal vacant space. A 6-way screw terminal input allows maximum configuration when powering the 8SM300T subwoofer, allowing both parallel and individual control of each driver. Speak-on-compatible connections are also available for added flexibility when installing. Thanks to the included bracketry, this compact subwoofer can be mounted in numerous ways, including on the floor and on the wall. And available in both black and white, it blends in with any setting. For more information, visit www.intusonic.com.